All right, part 3 of business planning. I'm Joe Moretti, and I'm really excited to talk you through this. So one of the key pieces to business planning is setting your measurable activities, setting your intentions for the day, week, month, year. As we all know, real estate is a contact sport. It's nothing sexy. The really simple things are what get you the most impact. First measurable activity, you should be having at least 15 to 20 real estate conversations day after day after day. Now, these are all based on a 5-day work week. So get out there, hold yourself accountable. 15 to 20 conversations. Next, text messages. You should be sending at least 5 to 10 text messages each day to people in your sphere, past clients, all your future prospects, and send out that really simple, what's new and exciting? Hope you're staying happy and healthy. I'd love to connect. Send that out. But I'll tell you what, take it one step further, send those text messages out before 9 a.m. There's a great morning activity, right? Make someone's day right in the beginning. Next, 2 thoughtful send outs per day. Every day, write 2 cards. Maybe you throw a scratch and win ticket in there, a lottery ticket, a Starbucks card. You can go to Walmart, you can go to dollar stores, and you can buy boxes of cards where there's birthday, condolence, thank you, thinking of you. But send those out, make someone's day, because they'll remember that stuff. Next, 30 minutes of Facebook creeping, uninterrupted every day, and never comment in less than 4 words. Get out there and engage with the people that you've connected with in the past. Another great activity, block out 1 hour of social media content creation per week and 1 hour of social media planning every single week. Build it into your calendar. Also block out 1 evening per week to do an activity out in the community. Join a team. Engage with people that have the same passion as you. Really important. Another key piece, 100%. Remember that, 100% of all your activities time blocked. If you don't put it in the calendar, I'm telling you, and I'll bet my paycheck against yours, it's not going to happen. Get everything in there and do your heavy lifting before noon. Do your prospecting, your text messages, your thoughtful send outs. Get those in before noon every single day. That way, you've got the whole rest of your afternoon for your showings, for going out and doing what you want to do. And I'll tell you what, there's nothing better on a Friday afternoon when you've done all your measurable activities. Spend some extra time with the family. Connect with some friends. But you can connect with that conscience saying, I did what I needed to do to be successful. Like I said, guys, it's not rocket science here. It's the simple, consistent activities that will help make you successful. I promise. So get out there, block in those measurable activities, and let's see what you can do. We'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this valuable, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube page, and then look for more amazing content.